Hello and welcome to a quick session on how we can perform discounted cash flow modeling using Microsoft Power BI. For this example, we are taking up a 5-year horizon where we are trying to value an organization. And this valuation, as you know, is based on a present value of free cash flows, which is in turn calculated from free cash flows over a 5-year period based on a discount rate. And the free cash flow obviously is coming from EBITDA adjusted for some of these factors. And when I drill down into EBITDA, I get an idea of how much the company is projected to earn and how much the company is expected to spend over the next few years. And let's say, for example, the cost of materials is expected to go up, let's say, by 35%. It's an arbitrary number. And immediately, this model can tell me that we can expect EBITDA to end up 2% worse. And I can make several simulations for this business. So let's say, for example, our labor costs are increasing or getting 3% better and so forth. And not only the EBITDA, it also tells me that the tax rates are bound to be better because we end up spending a little bit more. But overall, the improvement to the present value of free cash flows is about 2%. And ValQ also allows you, based on an assumption of terminal growth rate, to calculate the present value of the terminal valuation. And based on these two, you calculate the enterprise valuation. And finally, you arrive at the share value. And based on these two changes that we did, so basically cost of material going up by 35% and labor getting better by 3%, we can see that there is a net 7% worse performance for the valuation of this company. So hope you like this example. You have access to this file for download. Go ahead, go to the model section and see how a lot of these KPIs are configured. Specifically, you will like how we have configured the present value of free cash flows using an NPV formula, which is pretty much Excel-like, where you pass a discount rate and also the value for free cash flows over the 5-year period. In fact, ValQ gives you several formulae and functions that you can utilize to build financial models. For example, a lot of these Excel-like functions, including present value, NPV, IRR, and so forth. So go ahead, download this model file and then play around with it. And hopefully you will like what you see. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.